In 2012, I read an article in the newspaper about diabetic alert dogs. I didn't know they existed, and thought at that point that I was losing my sensitivity to the low blood sugars that I was having. I'm a type 1 diabetic and have been for about 40 years. And in the last 5 or 6 years, I've lost my ability to tell when I'm low. I'm at this special time of my life so that when I have hot flashes, I don't know if they're hot flashes or if they're low blood sugar events. So I thought this dog could be awesome, or a dog could be awesome. So I started to do some research, found out that any dog, not just your typical service-looking dogs, German Shepherds and Labs and Golden Retrievers, can be diabetic alert dogs. Any dog with a normal length nose can do this work. So I started to investigate it, worked with a breeder to get the dog, the breed that I knew that I liked, that was compact enough that I thought would work in kind of situations that I found myself in. Selected, got a case on, and where I am often fooled by the two different events, the dog that I have is never fooled. She's never fooled by a hot flash as opposed to a low blood sugar. So that has been a phenomenal thing for me to have Asti to tell me that I'm low as opposed to I'm just flashing. So after I got Asti and I started to work with a trainer who was going to train her, that was the first of 3 trainers who didn't, for reasonable reasons, explainable reasons, couldn't work with us. One of them referred me to Jennifer Kate and Medical Months, and at that point Asti was just shy of a year old. She had been through 3 trainers. I guess I've been thinking about a service dog. What would I expect a service dog to be? In a lot of ways, I guess I figured the dog would be like a little machine. The dog would do what it's supposed to do when it's supposed to do it, and I'd be totally out of the teamwork of it. And I'm learning, not surprisingly, that dogs are dogs. They're not machines, and that I do have a big impact on how Asti behaves, what she does, what she's allowed to do, what she's not doing. And I was in the bows in terms of my anxiety about what I was doing to screw this dog up, to not screw. Jennifer met me at the office. She we walked into a conference room, and just talking to her gave me, I could feel like the stress rolling off my shoulders, because she's so confident, she's so calm, she's so reasonable, and that all of this stuff in the last year and a half that I've been working with Jennifer, she has been such a confidence builder for me. It's not, yes, she does a fantastic job with the dog, but she's training me too, and that I think is a skill that has meant so much to me.